blessed with me. Do everything I say like your majesty. Fuck with the gang and it be a tragedy. Fuck with my shooters, they in the bag with me. Fuck with me, baby, come get this bag with me.
All my life I want money and power. Respect my mind or die from last shout. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud 9 and this 9 is.
Pusani Tashi. Pusani Tashi. Don't pussy nigga ain't about that shit. Don't pussy nigga ain't about that shit. I ride the chop the stick, yeah. The bitch is ready to kill, yeah.
Season, fucking my pastor daughter and true Jesus pieces. Dropping this blow on the basement floor, my Yeezy squeaking. Revving the fin, I pledge allegiance. Undefeated, fuck the 40 acres and the mule. They gave us niggas the eagle. Hot pot, spoons and needles. Sold a piece of crack, the police is Mario Van Peebles. Serving every prom queen and pookie.
I can easily do it like I used to, but baby, you ain't nothing like the usual. And even though it's all mutual, I drop it off, pack it up and leave. Used to do till I met you. Now everything is so brand new. You're giving me a reason to love them, not leave them.
Harder, why'd you eat my heart alive? Still breathing, why you looking so surprised? Harder, try but you are not surprised.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much wronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now.
For the bad guy, so you wanna fuck and man. So confess your love for me, testify. Anytime I'm with you, gotta testify. So anything we go through with the test of time. Can you be the one who love me all the time? We not doing good, you can see the signs. Can you do the crime like it's Bonnie and Clyde? I'm giving you my testimony line for line. I'm giving you the best.
Oh, you need the money, you gon' survive every night, every day. Dropping baby off and home before my night. No, I can't hear none of spend the night. Kumbaya. Wanna see Nirvana, but don't wanna die. Wanna feel it, none come by. Fuck me at the mash. All them boys wanna see you broke down. Shit, bumped out.
Keys like janitors, throw D's on that bitch, bought her tits like Pamela. Spend the whole day trying to take all my stamina. Never that, still got more for Tamara. Push a sex game, no amateur, I come clean. J. Rue damaged the scene. The coupe got a mind of its own like Christine. Murder in the block, half past blind, a motherfucker beat the time on it.
They want me hold my head in shame, so I hold him on, holding the head in vain. Comfort zone, but not a fair thing, I'm insane. My psych never no time, but no time, and David son told me put down the drink, dawg. I got a lean sauce in the for the think, dawg.
Random street with no cleats, 44mm iced off a leak. I get geek like I'm street, stash money in the base like Big Meat. Ooh, just 100 rest in this sneak. Move, AK-47 stick sweet. Her booze, only 5,000, that's cheap. Bro, pull up with the 5 got heat. Dogging these bitches, don't fall for these bitches. Work harder.
Top black diamonds, nigga. Hang out with robbers, nigga. What you know about robbing niggas? What you know about Texas? What you know about mobbing niggas? Look at these diamonds shine, yo. Look at these.
Came when I murked it. 15 year out of the chain, but I jerked it. Man can't talk about whips or peas. Got S-Class sitting there covered in bird shit.
Fuck's it, man.
You can't even pay what I pay for my permit. Primetime television face like Dermot. L'Oreal flows, man, they pay can't worth it. Man, I've been the boy.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. And she let it clap for a nigga. She let it clap for a nigga.
The traces of you, no, I can't see them. What have you become? What have you turned to? What have you taken? Like someone hurt you. You drink that mixture, that shit gon' hit you. No, I can't fix you. No, no.
Life to the next life, then life to the next life, then life to the next life. Don't miss this jet, ho. 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 Then life to the next life, then life to the next life.
This been going on like she been with me. She ain't gonna have no alibi. If bitch been going on like she been with me. She ain't got no alibi. Your bitch been gone all night, she been with me. She ain't got no alibi. Your bitch been gone all night, she been with me. She ain't got no alibi.
This shit like they violent. Niggas broke. They say that they honest, so money these niggas gon' say that they got it. Huh? Getting out with the kiddies and touching these niggas gon' blame it on college. They don't wanna see you win. They don't wanna see the race. No. You don't wanna see a bitch caught up in the stars like she out of space. Mention that they kinda at the mention and I'm running out of space. Tell your homie keep on coming out his mouth with sentence.